Hi guys, today we are going to look at weight gain in our health problems and natural remedies. Okay, this is how it follows: a list of food pressed oils, list of decoctions or concoctions, a diet plan with millets, exercise, and what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay, coming to the wood pressed oils, which have to be taken on empty stomach. First week it is 2 to 3 spoons of safflower oil. Second week, 2 to 3 spoons of Niger seed oil. Third week, 2 to 3 spoons of peanut oil or groundnut oil. Okay, and repeat this cycle after every 3 weeks. And a 30 minutes gap is needed between the multivitamin oils and the decoctions. Okay, you have to take these oils on empty stomach. Okay, what does that mean? You shouldn't drink water? No, not like that. If you are habituated to drink water early in the morning, yes, you can drink the water. Okay, for example, if you wake up at 6 a.m., if you take 1 liter of water, wait for 1 hour, that is at 7 a.m. you can have this oil. Okay, if you are drinking 1.5 liter of water, wait for 1.5 hour, that is at 7:30 a.m. you can drink this oil. Okay, right. Coming to the decoctions, mustard seeds, take 15 to 20 seeds to make decoctions. Okay, fenugreek seeds, take 15 to 20 again to make decoction. Then the process is similar for mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Cumin seeds also take 15 to 20 to make decoction. Banana stem, take very small pot. Okay, this much long can be used for 15 to 20 days. Okay, take up to here. Okay, that much is sufficient. Indian mallow leaves, take 5 leaves to make decoction. Okay, this is the plan for the decoction. First week mustard seeds, second week fenugreek seeds, third week cumin seeds, fourth week banana stem. Okay, if you do not have a banana tree nearby, if you do not get a banana stem, you can use raw banana as well. Okay, take a small piece of raw banana and cut it into small pieces. Okay, small portion of banana is sufficient. Okay, and then you can place those pieces in the boiling water to make decoction. Last week Indian mallow leaves. Okay, if you do not get one or two of the above, you can still continue with the remaining decoctions. That means if you do not get Indian mallow leaves, skip that. After fourth week, go back to first week again. After fifth week, you should go back to the first week. This cycle you have to repeat. Okay. 45 minutes to 1 hour gap is needed between the decoction and the next meal. Coming to the diet plan with millets, a little millet for 3 days. Okay, if you are having 3 meals per day, have those 3 meals with little millets only. Okay, you can have curries, you can eat curries, you can have curd also along with this homemade curd. Okay, no problem, but you shouldn't consume rice or wheat products. If you are having only 2 meals, have those 2 meals with little millets only. Again, kodo millets for 3 days, right? Barnyard millet for 1 day, foxtail millet for 1 day, brown top for 1 day. Okay, so this is a 7 day schedule, right? Right. So eat these millets alternately for this 7 day schedule. Okay, and repeat the sequence till you you get the purpose. Okay, till you achieve your target. That is target weight, perhaps. Okay, no rice, no wheat products till the recovery. Wheat products forever. Okay, use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils. And healthy people can take proso millets for 1 day, great millet for 1 day along with positive grains. Okay, right. Sprouted legumes such as green gram, bengal gram, cowpea, groundnut should be taken each variety per week. Sprouts should first be steamed for 4 to 7 minutes and then be tempered. Okay, just 2 teaspoonful of one type of steamed and tempered sprouts should be taken once a week along with 1 teaspoon of fenugreek or methi sprouts. Okay, one spoon of fenugreek sprouts, spoonful of any other legumes. Okay, that means every week the type of legume used for sprouting changes, but fenugreek seed sprout remains constant. So that means every time you have to eat fenugreek seeds. Okay. Cooking millets, either you can cook it like rice or make millet porridge. Cooking like rice, add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours and cook it on a open top vessel. How to make millet porridge? Use millet gruel also. It is called millet gruel also. Use either granulated millets or whole millets. Okay. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. You can also add 10 glasses of water if you want to make it more watery. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Okay. Tie the top using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours and then you can have it. Okay. If it is summer, keep it only for 6 to 7 hours. Coming to the exercise, 1 hour minimum a day you should walk. Okay. And increase your walking time slowly day by day. Okay. Initially, if you cannot walk for 1 hour, walk for 15 minutes, half an hour, 20 minutes. Okay. Slowly increase your walking time week upon week. Add 5 minutes or 10 minutes according to your capacity. Okay. So 1 hour after you achieve 1 hour target, increase your target to 1.5 hour, then 2 hours, then 3 hours, like that. Okay, no problem. Okay. All right. Foods to avoid. This exercise part is very important. Okay. Foods to avoid: all milk and dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oils. Okay. Sugar and jaggery. In place of sugar and jaggery, you can have palm jaggery, dates, and 100% pure honey. Okay. Even in the decoctions, if you cannot take them as dish, you can add palm jaggery in it. Okay. Wheat powder, refined wheat powder, you have to avoid. Tea, coffee, all bakery products. Polished millets or refined millets also you shouldn't consume. You should consume whole millets, whole grains. Non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, and all ready-to-eat foods. Now you are going to look at how to make decoction. Okay, right. Hi guys. Today we are going to look at fenugreek decoction. Okay, take 10 to 25 grams of fenugreeks. Okay, like this, and you have to grind it. Okay, I will show you after the grinding. Okay, before making decoction you should just grind it. All right, you need not to break it into small, very small pieces. This much is sufficient. Okay, you just need to grind it using a hammer or any other thing. Okay, uh, then you have to use this one to make decoction. I took roughly 250 to 280 ml of water. Okay, now you need to close the lid and then you have to switch on the stove. Okay, put it on a low flame. Let's the water boil first. Okay, see here water bubbles are formed, right? Now you can add the fenugreek seeds. Okay, all right. Now you have to close the lid and keep it for 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. Okay, it just got boiled up. Okay, we have to keep it for keep the lid closed for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, we are keeping it aside for 3 to 4 minutes and then you can have this decoction. Okay, right. Okay, roughly we waited for around 4 minutes. Okay, let's now filter it using a strainer. Okay, steel strainer. Okay, let's just filter it. And this decoction is very helpful for all digestive related problems. Okay, even for gastric and piles, especially when you are bleeding, not just at one part of the body, wherever you are bleeding, this decoction is very helpful. Okay, so that's it. Now you can have this decoction when it is lukewarm, otherwise you can cool it and then also you can drink it. Okay, no problem. Right. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.